This is how my wife prefers Jamaican Rasta pasta. So we need 7 ingredients for this. We're going to need penne pasta. We're going to need garlic, all-purpose seasoning, cooking cream, preferable 35%. We're going to need Jamaican Wakazo jerk sauce, preferably the mild version, because there's a stronger version there, but preferably the mild version in my wife's case. You're going to need Parmesan cheese, and you're going to need chicken or shrimp based on your preference. My wife doesn't eat chicken, so I'm going to use shrimp in this ingredient. So first thing first, you're going to either buy pre-cooked shrimp or you're going to cook it yourself. So in this case, we're using pre-cooked shrimp. So first thing you need to do is pour your penne pasta in a bowl with water and bring it to boil. So after you cook your pasta, then you're going to get a Dutch pot or a regular pot based on your preference. But in this case, we're using the authentic Jamaican Dutch pot. You pour your garlic, the all-purpose seasoning, your cooking cream, the Jamaican Walker's with jerk sauce into the pot and bring it to boil. After that comes to boil, you're going to pour your penne pasta into the pot. Once you pour your penne pasta into the pot, then you're going to get your pre-cooked shrimp, mix it up with a little bit of the Jamaican Walker's with jerk sauce, and then you pour that into the pot on top of the penne pasta. And you're going to stir that and leave the shrimp there to cook. After it's finished cooking, then you're pretty much almost finished Jamaican Rasta pasta. The next thing you would need to do is to add your Parmesan cheese. So adding Parmesan cheese is basically a preference. It depends on how you like Jamaican Rasta pasta to be. For in this case, my wife to have a lot of cheese in it. So we use the entire parcel of Kraft Parmesan cheese inside the pot, and then we stir and we stir and we stir until it cooks. Then we give it about 5 to 10 more minutes to cook on its own to make sure that the shrimp cooked and it has the same flavor with all the ingredients mixed in and thing. And then you can basically serve at the end. So you will serve it just like that. And my wife prefers to eat it alone, but you could eat it with bread or something along that line. But this is how we make Jamaican Rasta pasta, and my wife loves it.